Hey guys, good evening. I just finished watching what they call these people, Big Brother, head of house game, and Ozo just won head of house. I like Ozo Shabo. I feel like I like Prince more. Welcome to another vlog. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel and I am based in Nigeria. So yeah, let's just begin. Before the intro, I wanted to show you what my friend Tari just sent. She called me earlier today and we're talking. She said she was just getting back from the market and she wanted to make 2 types of soup. I'm like, oh really, that's nice. She said, do I want? I said, of course I want. It's past 7, about 7:30 now, and her driver just came and brought soup for me. You guys, a big bowl of atama soup. Can you see periwinkle, snail, goat's meat, and I don't know what else will be inside because I know that Tari's soups are always very rich. See atama soup. My friend, you're amazing. Thank you so much. Like, I love you. Tari is like one of the best people in my life. Like, she's one person that I can go to her house and feel so comfortable, just spread my leg and do as I wish. That type of person. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Like, this is such a sweet gesture. This will be lunch for tomorrow because it's already late and I cannot eat anything now. Even though I'm tempted to take one snail or something, but I will resist the devil and he will flee away from me. Tomorrow lunch is going to be bloody because I'm digging in. That's it. Oh, let me watch and see who also will pick as his deputy head of house. I'm guessing Dorothy or Nengi because they say it has to be the opposite sex. I'm guessing more of Dorothy because he said Dorothy is his favorite person in the house. Let's see now how it goes. I'll talk to you guys later. And my guest came to pass. Also chose Dorothy as his deputy head of house. I'm so happy that happened. I'm not someone that follows Big Brother, but at least the little I've seen, I feel like their friendship is genuine, and I will go for friendship over love or lust any day, because with friendship you get every other thing as a bonus, and I'm all for that. I just love how they converse with each other. I love the dynamic of their friendship basically, and I'm so happy that he chose her to be his deputy head of house. Nengi's face was not having it. She's like, let me go and think of this tension I'll go through tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere. I know she's not going anywhere. I know she has a lot of supporters. I'm not against her. I don't have any problem with her. I don't have anything against any of the housemates actually. The only person I did not like at first was Neo, but right now I feel like I was wrong because it's quite genuine and he makes sense most of the time. And yeah, that's it. Anybody that wins, good luck. Let me go and look for what to do with my life. Just let them come and update you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.
The next day.
Good morning. It's a Sunday today and I'm about leaving the house. I just finished mass. What else? I've had my bath. I prepared. I'm going for my appointment. I made an appointment with Float Beauty for full body waxing today by 12, and it's 11:44 at the moment. It's not far from my house. I think I even want to stroll and go there, but let me just get downstairs first. If I eventually do not stroll, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I want to go for my appointment. The last time I went for waxing was a few days before my birthday. That was in June, and this is August, so I've not waxed in a month, and everywhere looks pretty good. The hairs are not much, in case you're wondering. TMI, I know, but yeah, I just want to go for my appointment today, and this will last me for another 1 month. That's one of the things I like about waxing, you get, because it saves me time and I don't have to think of, oh, I'm going to use shaving cream anytime soon. So for places like my underarm, my legs, my hands, I just let it be for like a month. Let me show you the hair growth I've gotten on my hand since the last time I waxed. Can you guys see? You can barely even see the hair coming out. I just want to do it and get it over and done with. I will see you guys in the spa, at the spa. Bye. I'm here now and I walked down. I'm so happy I walked down. The package I'm doing entails everything, so I was asked to wear black and black. This is my old today. I have a black t-shirt and black leggings. My slippers is somewhere. They have changed to their complimentary slippers, so I'm just waiting. Hey Guys, I'm back home now and I feel so brand new. That's the word. How you guys see my skin? Everything is glowing. So I did the total package this time and that one cost 20,000 naira. I'll leave everything it entails on the screen, everything you're going to get with that. I had my bath 3 times. They did the first bath, I don't know what they called it, there are some type of name. I'll leave everything on the screen. Then the second one, then the third one was the turmeric bath. I also did the sauna and I feel so good, guys. Like, oh lord, I left my house at 11:45, got there by 12 because my appointment was slated for 12, and I got done with the whole process around past 4, and that's because I was wasting a lot of time in the bathroom. So after each scrub you're supposed to wait a few minutes so that your skin absorbs it before you wash it out. So they gave me like 10 minutes. Me, I stayed for like 15-20 minutes. My whole body is hairless now and I'm just happy. So you guys, the name of the spa is Float Beauty in Port Harcourt. They also have an Abuja branch if you're based in Abuja. I'll leave the details in my description box and also everything I did in this session. Also they offer bridal sessions. So if you're a bride to be looking to pamper yourself before your big day, they are your go-to. You will just be glowing and be scenting very well. Do you get? That's what Flow Beauty is going to give you. Like, I'm not even hyping it anyway, this is 100% truth. So yeah, I'm so hungry. I haven't had anything since morning. I thought I was going to come back early and it's currently past 5, so let me go and look for what to eat and sit down and watch Big Brother. I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, good afternoon, happy Monday. Yesterday after talking to you guys, I was so tired. I just went and slept and woke up today, went for exercise, came back, went to the market. I have another vlog I've started, which is my mom's birthday vlog, so I'm thinking of doing something special for my mom. That will be my next week's vlog, so you guys look out for that one. So I started that vlog today when I went to buy some things, but I'm back home now and I picked up this wine from the supermarket. It's called 4th Street and it's their sweet red wine. I've seen this 4th Street before. Was it? Oh yeah, I think someone gave it to me for my birthday, I think, but it was the either the rose or the wine of it. Was it on Dilbani's WhatsApp status? I can't remember, but yeah, this is 4th Street and it's so chilled. I just took it out of the freezer now and I want to try it. You guys, anybody that knows me knows that I love sweet red wine. I can't stay for maybe 2 weeks without having a glass of wine. That's how much I love wines. I don't like spirits a lot, but wine just does it for me all the time. I'm sure when Bae watches this now, he'll say drunk ass girlfriend because I'm always drinking wine. But yeah, we're going to review this 4th Street sweet red wine. I love the size of this one, 375 ml. You guys see, yeah, so this is it. Okay, let me bring another bottle of wine so we can compare. This is the regular size of wine that everybody's used to, and compared to this one, this is it. So this Castillo is in 750 and this is 375, so half of it makes up this one. Okay. Oh, this one is cold. I don't have to drink that I say Castillo, Calorosi, sorry, it's a Calorosi wine. I'm so excited. I'll give this a good 7. Reason being that I feel like it's lighter than the other sweet red wines I've tried out. I love the grape taste of it. I love that it's not so fermented. This is nice. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Let me even pour the remaining one. This is me just living my baby girl life and just enjoying life. Cheers. Cheers. Let me hit this thing. Cheers. You guys would like to hear more about what I have to say about wines, then let me know and I might consider doing a dedicated video for it. Maybe buy a couple of wines, like different brands of a certain type of wine. For instance, red wine, I'll buy it in this 4th Street, Castillo, Calorosi, different brands actually, and just review for you. Just let me know. It's not something I'm bent on doing, but if I get so many requests for it, then I'll consider it. Okay.
Several days later.
Guys, I just changed my curtain and I love it so much. Guess how much See these two like climbed 1,000 naira for one. I got it from Everyday yesterday. Let me show you guys the pack. It's, look at it, this is what it looks like. It's a grommet panel curtain list, Claiborne list set. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And I got it in 84 inches length. That one that was short that day was about 60 something. So I went out and looked for this one. Thank God I even saw two of it because the whole place is scattered in that Everyday. My mom just gave me this cotton thingy. I want to put it there now. I like it. I couldn't iron it because I'm afraid. Let's not burn. Should just remain here like this. So I'm about to do the influencer challenge on my mom. She has no idea what I'm about to do. I'll just flip my camera to her and tell her that I'm filming something that you all requested. She has no idea that the camera is facing her, obviously. I'm just going to see how she will react, and you all will see it alongside. Hey y'all, so this is me answering your requested Q&A on how I lost weight. Why are you looking at me? So what I do is I wake up very early in the morning, say 5, and I work out for 2 hours. And I've stopped eating carbs. I don't eat carbs again. I eat only protein. Why are you looking at me? And what else? Yeah, I eat vegetables and fruits, and I take my ACV water. And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all you need to know. Well, why are you saying
I haven't seen the result yet. When I start seeing the result, I will know.
You also her reaction. She kind of covered up for me when I said I don't eat carbs. I expected her to look up and say, where? But she just went with the flow. That's the type of mom I have. Like, shout out, mommy. Shout out. I'm going to end this vlog here, guys. I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.